Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. And one of the most common questions I get are what are the main causes of hair loss? We'll go through a few of those causes today. If you've got signs of hair loss, thinning, receding, shedding, if your hair is changing color, texture, or quality, you might be having some hair loss. What are the causes of hair loss? What is causing that condition? Well, we're going to go over a few of those causes today. Well, here at Bauman Medical, one of the most common causes of hair loss is genetics. That means from your mom's side or your dad's side of the family, you can inherit genes that can affect your hair over time. So traditional male and female pattern hair loss, whether it's a receding hairline or thinning in the crown for men, or for women, just a general overall diffuse thinning or shedding, this can be tied down to hereditary causes, so your genetics, your genes. But there are many other causes of hair loss as well. It could be hormone imbalance, nutritional deficiencies, stress, the way that you take care of your hair, the way that you take care of your scalp health. Many conditions can trigger hair loss, can trigger shedding. If you've been ill, if you've had illness, you've had COVID or vaccination, that can trigger some shedding and some hair loss and exacerbate underlying conditions. There are also autoimmune conditions where your body literally fights against your existing follicles, causing patches of hair loss that occur over time. There are scarring types of hair loss. If you've had injury or trauma or surgery to your face or to your scalp, that could permanently cause damage to the hair follicles in those areas. There's also inflammatory conditions of the scalp that can trigger scarring and hair loss and shedding and inflammation, and that's no good when it comes to keeping a good, thick, healthy head of hair. So certainly when it comes to nutrition, if you're losing weight, either purposefully or not, that can certainly affect your hair. Weight loss medications, weight loss surgery, even a caloric restrictive diet can certainly affect your hair and exacerbate your hair loss condition. So some of the therapies and treatments that we do here at Bauman Medical start with a detailed history or exam, and we're going to dissect down into what your hair loss history is in the family, how your hair loss has changed over time, different lifestyle factors that might be affecting your hair, whether it's nutrition or hormones or illnesses and such, and then try to prescribe a therapeutic regimen for you, whether it's a non-chemical, non-invasive treatment regimen or something more invasive that you might need to address your hair loss concerns. So if you have questions about the causes of your hair loss and what you can do about it, click on the links below. I look forward to helping you.